What's up everyone, my name is Khalid. Welcome back to the Smart Man channel. Do you want to become a more confident speaker? Strengthen your presentation? Build your communication skills? You have come to the right place. Self-confidence is a person's belief or trust in their own ability. Self-confidence comes from more fearlessness and believe what they can. Today, I'm gonna show you 5 secrets to increase your self-confidence. I hope you are ready. Secret number 1. Feed your mind. When you feed your mind with positive affirmation, information books, conversation, audio program, and thoughts, you develop a more positive attitude and personality. You become more influential and greater self-esteem. You learn how to be confident. If you have full of knowledge and information for the field what you know, easy to develop your self-confidence. So keep learning to get self-confidence. Secret number 2. Take care of your body. As you were growing up, you may not have learned how to take good care of yourself. In fact, much of our attention may have been on taking care of others. Start today to take good care of yourself. Treat yourself as a wonderful parent would treat as a small child, or as one very best friend might treat another. If you are taking good care of yourself, you will find that you feel better about yourself. Do proper sports. Eat healthy meal to reach your final self-confidence. If your body is an amazing, easy to speak in front of anyone else, just be ready to do it. Secret number 3. Silence inner criticism. Let's imagine that you have a friend who can be really critical. He lets you know when you have put on a few extra pounds. He makes you sure lose confidence right before an important presentation. If you had a friend like that, you would kick him out, right? Of course. No one needs that negativity in their life. So if we don't accept this criticism from our friend, why do we accept it from ourselves? Sometimes we think, I'm not wearing an amazing clothes, I'm not handsome, I'm unable to do it, and so on, etc. So stop trying to say this to kill your self-confidence. Just to try to make it silence your inner criticism. Remove your negativity from inside. Secret number 4. Smile geniusly. When you smile, you will find that others will want to talk to you anymore, and there will be few people shying away when you are speaking. A smile radiates self-confidence, and confidence is something that attracts to anyone. The act of smiling releases endorphins and makes you happy and make you feel good. The best of makeup is putting smile by psychologists. When you smile, you are accepting to anyone to communicate or conversation with everyone. As a result of this, you are building self-confidence. Finally, secret number 5. Dress properly. Psychologically, it's proven that it does increase confidence. Well, psychology says a lot of things, but do I believe it? I have always been a person who chooses comfort over looking good, so I always would just put special clothes for long time, which means when you wear a clothes, people will judge you through your clothes. But we should not judge someone through his brand clothes or watches. So make sure you choose comfortable and an amazing clothes, and if possible, color that will make you feel calm and relaxed. Keep wear a dress properly to meet self-confidence. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click subscribe, like, share to others to learn and grow. Leave your thought on your comment section below and turn on notification. You will get every Sunday new videos. Much love. God bless you all. That's for me today. I will see you on the next